1. What is a trailer typically used for? A. To demonstrate the level design of a game. B. To review a film. C. To give an overview of a game's plot. D. To give the viewer an idea about game mechanics and core features. Two. When is it important to consider the use of gameplay capture or rendered footage? A. When determining the game's design. B. When adapting the game for other platforms. C. When marketing a game. D. When creating the game's script. 3. What should you consider when coming up with specific actions and events for a video? A. Is there enough resources to create the scene? B. Would gameplay footage be able to tell the story? C. Is the scene necessary to tell the story? D. Are the characters believable? Four. What are some of the objective limitations a creator must face in the creative process? A. Deadline and budget constraints. B. Fantasy and adventure. C. Storyline ideas. D. Visuals and music. 5. What is the purpose of a teaser video? A. To give the viewer an entry point into the game's universe. B. Describe game features. C. Provide background details. D. Showcase gameplay. 6. When is it advisable to use a teaser in App Store videos? A. When revealing a new feature of the game. B. When introducing a new character of the game. C. When launching a new game. D. When planning to significantly improve the gaming experience or change the key visual elements of the game. 7. What is needed to get the impact of the battle across to viewers? A. Dramatic music. B. Increase the enemy speed. C. Introduce flying units. D. Zoom in on certain units and switch to first-person perspective. 8. Where can you find Nintendo game trailers? A. Twitch. B. Hulu. C. YouTube. D. Video Games Now. 9. What type of videos can you find on YouTube? A. 4K game trailers. B. 2K game trailers. C. 3D game trailers. D. 5K game trailers. 10. What is the resolution of the original trailer of 2002? A. 720p. B. 2K resolution. C. 4K resolution. D. 7080p. 11. What is the primary purpose of video game trailers? A. To compare them to Marvel movies. B. To increase gaming budgets. C. To promote a new game and build anticipation. D. To review existing games. "12. What is one of the most popular video game trailers? A. Assassin's Creed franchise. B. Grand Theft Auto 5. C. Call of Duty: Modern Warfare. D. God of War. 13. What is the main goal of video game trailers? A. Serve as a tutorial for the game. B. Inspire creativity in viewers. C. Generate excitement and anticipation for a new video game. D. Encourage viewers to watch more trailers. 14. What resolution is recommended to best watch the Metroid Prime game trailer? A. HD. B. 4K. C. 720p. D. 1080p. 15. What does a cinematic game trailer generally represent when compared to the actual game? A. Whatever the marketing team decides to show. B. A dramatized, idealized version. C. The way the actual gameplay looks. D. The exact same visuals as rendered in-game. "16. How often do Nintendo usually release trailers for new games? A. Every month. B. Every 2 weeks. C. Every week. D. Every 3 months. 17. What is the approach to take for a narrative game? A. Use animated text and make it look as good as the in-game graphics. B. Increase the length of expressions to 10 or 11 words. C. Have cutscenes with multiple characters. D. Utilize nonlinear storytelling. 18. What is the goal of cinematic game trailers? A. To feature single and multiplayer campaigns. B. To create a sense of immersion. C. To show gameplay. D. To generate hype. 19. What type of content is rare in game trailers? A. Live-action footage. B. Animations. C. Interviews. D. Cutscenes. 20. How does comparing a cinematic trailer to a gameplay trailer be like? A. Comparing different levels of realism. B. Comparing different types of graphics. C. Comparing different consoles. D. The digital equivalent of comparing a feature film to a recording of a live theater performance. 21. What should all the footage of a video game trailer be focused on? A. Quotes from the game. B. The game's introduction. C. The game's story. D. Gameplay. Game trailers practice test. If you're interested in video game trailers, you've come to the right place. Here you'll learn about the different kinds of game trailers and which ones are the best. You'll also learn about Nintendo game trailers and 4K game trailers. Importance of game trailers. Capture audience interest and build anticipation before release. Influence purchasing decisions by showcasing unique features, visuals, and emotional appeal.